His are the tracks that gets everyone in the clubs grooving onto the dance floor. And in real life too, he's actually quite entertaining. Earlier in the day, I caught up with Akon, who, by the way, celebrates his birthday in just a few hours. So from everyone here at eNow, happy birthday, Akon.
When I see you, I run out of words to say. I wouldn't leave you, 'cause you're that type of girl to make me stay.
All right, so he's someone who prides himself on being called a con, but it can't be a con job when every one of his singles goes straight to the top of the charts. If you haven't guessed it already, I'm in conversation with Akon. Welcome back to India, firstly. I think you really like the country. You keep coming back here.
No, I love it here. And I'll be coming back a lot more too as well.
Okay, so you're here to tour the country. So tell us, what can your fans expect now in your concerts in Bangalore and Delhi?
Oh, it's gonna be exciting. I'm more excited probably than my fans are.
How come?
I mean, I love it here. You know, the crowd is always exciting. They never hesitate to show their expression, and I love that the most and respect that a lot.
Also, you're going to be celebrating your birthday in the country. What are the special plans? I believe your wife is also here with you.
Yeah, actually she is. My wife is here. But the party was just a surprise for me when I came in today. It was supposed to be a surprise party.
Oh, okay.
But unfortunately, I found out through the media, so it's not a surprise anymore.
Is it rude to ask how old you're going to be?
Yeah, I'm gonna be 20 young.
Oh, I don't believe that. Come on. No.
I'm gonna be 20 young, seriously.
One of the singles that just released recently the world over was the track Hold My Hand with MJ. Now, that has got to be an experience for any artist. Tell us a little bit about that.
No, that record is amazing, man. And it's one of those records that you gonna always cherish. You know, it was the last song me and Michael recorded. The last song he's officially recorded before he passed away. So not only will there be history about that record, but it's one of those records that bring the world together.
And was it surreal working with the man himself?
Yeah, 100%. Until I met him. And then I was like, wow, we should have did this a long time ago. Because he's so humble, man. And he's the most incredible guy ever.
I've been there before and you've been there before, but together we can be alright. Yeah. When it gets dark and when it gets cold, we hold each other till we see the sunlight. Yeah, just hold my hand, baby. I promise that I'll do all I can.
Also, you know, another one of the artists that you kind of almost discovered, Lady Gaga. Can you believe what a phenomenon she's gone on to become now globally?
Man, but I knew it from day one. You know, when I signed her, I knew she was going to be the biggest thing ever.
You
It
did?
was just a matter, yeah, of course. She was always talented like that. It's nothing that just happened. She was always that. It was just a matter of her having the platform to express herself.
Can't read my, no, we can't read my broken face. She ain't got no love, nobody.
Okay, I've got a quick rapid fire for you, musical rapid fire. One song you sing when you're really in an upbeat mood.
Beat move, what's the beat?
When you're in a high mood.
Oh, when I'm in a high mood? But if I was to pick a hype song, it'd probably be Nosy Neighbor.
Once she stripped down naked and entertained me. Oh my God, she's doing it. Taking it off.
A song that you sing when you're really low, like when you're in a really bad mood.
Bad mood? I'm never in a bad mood.
Come on, there's gotta be one song.
No, I'm serious. I'm never in a bad mood. But I think the song that came close to when I was in a bad mood was Mr. Lonely, and that's why I wrote it. So lonely, Mr. Lonely, I have nobody to call my own.
Oh, and my last question, really. Okay, most of your songs are about serenading beautiful women. Okay, dedicate a song to them and a message for all your fans back here.
If I was to dedicate a song to all the beautiful women, it would probably be Beautiful.
You're so beautiful, so damn beautiful.
The best thing is never to give it up, you know, because you gotta admit, it's a billion and change of people in the world, and half of them want to do music or want to be a superstar. So there's a long line, and you can't just give up. You gotta just keep doing it and find a distinctive avenue where no one else is in, and focus on that, and eventually your time will come.
Use a sexy chick, a sexy chick, use a sexy chick, use a sexy chick.